Hi, so for today I'm gonna teach you how to prepare the inoculum for the media development. So the first thing, we're gonna need 3 of glass container here. So we have put 2 tablespoons of plain sugar inside. So after we put the plain sugar, we're gonna mix it with a quarter cup, which is 1/4 cup of hot water, and we just set it warm. And then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of activated yeast inside this glassware. After I put the activated yeast inside this glassware, I'm gonna culture this cell for 24 hours. So I'm gonna start now to pour this hot water inside here, and we just culture this yeast for 1 night, and after that tomorrow we're gonna wake the mass of the yeast. For the first, we have to put a quarter cup of hot water in these 3 glass container that consists of 2 tablespoons of sugar. So the sugar will act as substrate, or the nutrient source for the yeast growth. Since we know that the yeast is require glucose or sugar for growth to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide during fermentation process. So we just mix this sugar until it is completely dissolved inside the hot water. But before we put the yeast inside the hot water, we must make sure the hot water became warm first, because the yeast cannot be survive in very high temperature. So you just mix it together, the sugar solution. You just mix all until the sugar is solid inside the water first. So after 24 hours or 1 night, okay, so you can observe there is a changes in the color of the yeast, also the turbidity and the texture of the media. So this is glassware A, this is glassware B, and this is glassware C. You can see it. Okay. So from top. So next we're gonna weight this filter paper. Okay, so we're gonna use a filter paper or kitchen towel to remove all the moisture, all the liquid in the yeast. And first we're gonna open, or we're gonna calibrate first this digital balance. So we're gonna weight this paper towel on the digital balance first. So we're gonna take the yeast slowly by using a spoon. Okay, so we're gonna pour onto the kitchen towel first. Carefully, just remove the excess of the yeast. Okay. Wait. Okay. So the yeast is quite sticky. You have to carefully take the yeast, just like this. Okay. So this is the inoculum that we prepared last night. We want to see either there is an increment of the mass of the yeast or there is no increment. So carefully. So we're gonna weight this yeast by using a digital balance, and we want to see there is any changes in mass or not. Okay, stop. So next we're gonna weight this yeast. So first we're gonna fold this paper carefully. Okay, so we just weigh it. So as you see, there is any changes or not in the yeast weight. So the total weight is 20 gram. The total weight is 10 gram, sorry. So after we wake the mass of the yeast completely, we repeat the same procedure and the same step on the glassware B and also the glassware C. So we will look the changes of the weight, color, and also turbidity of the media solution. So that's all for me. Thank you.